Modern military drones look new. They seem advanced. They seem futuristic. But the truth is very different. The story of drone warfare began more than 100 years ago, long before satellites, long before computers, long before artificial intelligence. At the beginning of the 20th century, human flight itself was still fragile. Airplanes were delicate. Engines were unreliable. Pilots risked their lives every time they took off. And yet, some engineers were already imagining something radical. They imagined machines that could fly without pilots, machines that could take human risk away, machines that could carry explosives into enemy territory without a single life lost. During World War I, this radical idea moved from imagination into actual experimentation. Early engineers believed that pilotless aircraft could change warfare forever. They designed intricate mechanical systems, brass gears, early propellers, and fragile radio controls. On paper, their designs made sense. In reality, the technology was not ready. Radio signals were weak. Signals dropped. Navigation systems were unreliable. Once launched, many early drones drifted uncontrollably. Some spiraled, some veered off course, some simply vanished into the skies. Crashes were common. Many never reached their target. Others disappeared entirely. What was meant to be a revolutionary weapon became an expensive experiment. After the war, unmanned flight quietly faded, not because the idea was wrong, but because it was too early. The vision survived, but the technology did not. For decades, engineers remembered the idea. They dreamed of unmanned aircraft, but progress stalled. The missing pieces were obvious: reliable communication, accurate navigation, precise control. Then, slowly, technology caught up. Computers replaced analog controls. Satellites allowed machines to know exactly where they were. Secure communication made remote control reliable. For the first time, unmanned aircraft could see the battlefield and react. Modern drones solved the problems of the past. They became smaller, more precise, more efficient. They could fly farther, stay airborne longer, strike with surgical accuracy. War itself began to change. Soldiers no longer needed to be physically present on the battlefield. Operators could strike targets from thousands of miles away. Distance became irrelevant. This shift introduced questions. When machines fight wars, who takes responsibility? Where does human judgment end and machine decision-making begin? Today, drones are becoming increasingly autonomous. Some systems already react faster than humans can respond. Decisions that once took minutes now happen in seconds. The battlefield is evolving quietly, faster than most realize. What began as a failed experiment in World War I has become one of the most powerful tools in modern military strategy. And the story is far from over. To understand the future of drone warfare, we must first understand its past. Every failure, every crash, every vanished aircraft led to the machines we see today. They carry the lessons of a century in every rotor, in every sensor, in every decision algorithm. From fragile mechanical experiments to precise, autonomous machines. The evolution of drones is the story of human ingenuity, of persistence, and of the endless pursuit to remove humans from danger. This is the story of drone warfare, from fragile beginnings to the machines of today. And this story is still being written.